Assalamu alaikum. In continuation to the third lecture for the numericals related to the solutions in biochemistry lab, in this lecture we will learn other types of numerical related to the concentration. Another way of expressing the concentration of a solution is parts per solution. What is parts per solution? Parts per solution is basically the mass of a substance or a solute which is expressed in gram, and the volume of a solution is considered in ml, and it is called as the percent of the solution. How we can calculate the concentration of a solution through the percent? This is the formula. The simplest formula is that percent means if we are going to prepare 2% solution, for example, 2% solution means we are dissolving 2 gram of a solute in a total volume to make up a volume of up to the 100 ml. However, if we talk about with respect to its formula, the percentage of solution is equal to the amount of solute divided by the amount of the solution into 100. There are 3 parameters that either the mass is expressed in gram and volume is in ml. Usually, most of the in applied fields of chemistry, usually we will take the unit of mass per mass volume, and in case of clinical chemistry, normally mass per volume is commonly used. The quantities referred here can be expressed in mass, in volume, or both. That is, the mass of a solute in a given volume of a solution. It can also called as mass per mass or mass per volume and volume per volume. We can say mass per mass or volume by volume or mass per volume. Among all 3, the most common one is the mass per volume. Furthermore, remember the solubility is mainly related to the term in which the solute is in solid state and the solvent is either in liquid state or the gaseous state. However, if there are 2 liquids, for example, in case of volume by volume concentration, the terminology of solution is not used. Rather, the terminology of the miscibility and immiscibility is used. So miscible अगर हमारे पास होंगे तो we will say that 2 liquids are miscible. For example, 2 oils are miscible or 2 polar solvents are miscible like water and ethanol are miscible, and 2 oils are miscible because of the same polarity. In this scenario, when we have 2 liquids, one is solute and one is solvent, we are not saying that कि वो उसमें dissolve हो रहा है. Rather than we will say कि वो उसमें miscible है. Now, the formula, which is this formula we have discussed it. Other types of the parts per solution concentration is the parts per million and parts per billion. Here we will not do the numericals of the parts per million and parts per billion. However, in further life, you may have these type of conversation when you go through your advanced level for the MPhil and PhD studies. Now the example. As an example, we have 7% volume by volume solution of the ethanol in water, and it contains 7 ml of ethanol in a total volume of 100 ml of the solution. We have 7 ml of ethanol, 7% solution बनाना है हमें ethanol का, तो 7 ml ethanol है, total volume जो है वो 100 है. तो how much water is in this solution is needed? Very simple. दोनों liquids हैं, both are in liquid, so 7 ml, if the volume of ethanol is of 7 ml, we just subtract the volume of the solvent from the total volume of the solution, and we will get the volume of the solvent. It means कि solute का जो volume है, which is 7 ml, वो हम solution के जो total volume है 100 ml में से वो subtract कर देंगे. बहुत ही easiest calculation होती है percentage की. So what will be the solution? we can fill in the values and then solve the value. For example, 100 ml is equal to 7 ml plus x ml of the solvent, and by shifting the 7 to the other side, we can see that 100 ml minus 7 ml, we will get 93 ml of the water. Another example is the calculation of the mass per volume percent of a solution if 24 gram of the sucrose is dissolved in total solution of the 243 ml. अभी जो मैंने आपसे एग्जाम्पल डिस्कस की है उसमें जो आपसे मैंने वर्बल एग्जाम्पल डिस्कस की थी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर ऑफ द 2% सोल्यूशन, कैसे बनाएंगे किसी का 2% सोल्यूशन फॉर कार्बोहाइड्रेट टेस्टिंग. जितने भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट यूज हुए यूजली 2% सोल्यूशन जो है वो प्रिपेयर किया जाता है. 2 ग्राम लेकर हम उसको 100 ml वॉल्यूम में मेकअप कर लेते हैं. हाउएवर इन दिस केस we have the amount in gram, but the total volume is not in 100 ml, rather than it is in 243 ml. So what we will do, we will place 24 gram at the above side and 243 ml at the lower side and multiply with the 100, and we will get its percentage. So the percent solution of it's the 9.87, and after the rounding off, the significant number is 9.88. Next example is that how many grams of sodium chloride are required to make 625 ml of a 13.5 solution. Again, the volume of sodium chloride is not 100 ml. So by using the same formula, we can easily determine the sodium chloride mass, and we have to just rearrange the formula or equation showing the gram of the sodium chloride. In this scenario, the 13.5% solution get multiplied with 625 ml of a solution. Remember, here volume is expressed in ml, not in liter, because it is the mass per volume concentration में यहाँ पे हमारे पास mass gram में है and volume should be in ml. Molarity में liter में होगा, लेकिन percent में ml में होगा. After rearranging the equation, we will get the answer, that is 84.375 gram, which when we round off to the correct significant numbers of figures 3 in this case, then we get the answer 84.4 gram would be needed, and it need to be dissolved in 625 ml of the total volume of the solution. These are the practice questions for the numericals, and you have to prepare these types of solutions and calculate it and mention your answer in the Google class as a separate assignment. Thank you. And the next section will be on the dilutions.